what is it called? That
So
got
we're
sunken
headed
into.
to Disney
Hello.
for his 69th birthday.
Yeah.
Tram and daughters. Tram and daughters. No, seriously. Anyway, we went to Disneyland on Disneyland's 69th birthday. Yep, we're here on the tram. Hello. And so I went in while the girls hung out at downtown Disney. Here I'm coming into the park. So, hello. So, yes, getting in. It's our bestie's birthday. Hey, Disneyland Castle. So, I was there for our bestie's birthday. Had to stop and get a pretzel, cheese bread, and off the parade. I'm there trying to see if I can catch Tiana, and the sun is glaring, but I was able to catch a little bit of Tiana there. Yay! Anyway, got a version lava flow, and at the Craftsman's Grill, my favorite nachos. And at the end of the day, we just listened to fun little music. And it was a cute, fun day at